The Jura GIGA 10 Diamond Black is a true marvel of contemporary coffee technology, designed for the discerning enthusiast who seeks to transform their kitchen into a personal cafe. From its striking diamond black finish to its imposing yet elegant stature, the GIGA 10 is unmistakably a flagship machine, engineered to deliver a coffee experience that is both luxurious and deeply customizable. Links to the best price for the Jura GIGA 10 coffee machine are in the description box below. At the heart of the GIGA 10 is its revolutionary dual bean system, which features two separate whole bean containers, each with its own ceramic disc grinder. This duality allows you to keep two distinct types of beans at the ready, perhaps a bold espresso roast in one and a delicate single origin in the other. The machine's exclusive product recognizing grinder technology automatically identifies the chosen beverage and adjusts the grind accordingly, ensuring that each coffee style is extracted at its optimal grind size. This level of precision means that whether you're preparing a silky latte or a robust ristretto, the GIGA 10 delivers a cup that is true to the bean's character and your personal taste. The brewing process is further enhanced by Jura's unique 3D brewing technology. Unlike conventional machines that saturate coffee grounds from a single direction, the GIGA 10 allows water to flow evenly through the grounds at multiple levels. This multi-dimensional extraction method ensures that every particle of coffee is utilized, leading to a cup that is rich, complex, and perfectly balanced. The pulse extraction process further refines this by pulsing water through the grounds in short bursts, maximizing aroma and flavor, especially in shorter drinks like espresso. As any Jura GIGA 10 review will tell you, a standout innovation is the GIGA 10's cold brew extraction process, a first in the world of super automatic machines. For genuine cold brew specialties, the machine pulses cold water through coarser coffee grounds under high pressure. This method extracts the nuanced, sweet, and refreshing qualities of cold brew without the bitterness or dilution that can come from traditional iced coffee methods. The result is a cold brew that is smooth, aromatic, and ready in moments. A true revelation for anyone who enjoys their coffee chilled. The GIGA 10 is also a master of milk-based beverages, with its one-touch milk system and the ability to add an extra shot to milk specialties like cappuccino, flat white, or latte macchiato. The machine empowers you to craft cafe-style drinks with a single tap. The milk system is engineered for both ease of use and hygiene, featuring a one-touch cleaning function that ensures every component is spotless and ready for the next round. Customization is at the core of the GIGA 10 experience. The 6.7-inch touchscreen panorama coffee panel is both expansive and intuitive, offering a new level of interaction. You can adjust every aspect of your drink, from volume and intensity to the precise percentage of beans drawn from each container and the coffee to milk ratio. This means you can fine-tune your beverages to suit your mood, your beans, or your guest preferences, making each cup a personal creation. The GIGA 10 is also designed for seamless integration into your connected lifestyle. Equipped with Wi-Fi Connect, it works with the Jura Operating Experience app, allowing you to control the machine, customize drinks, and monitor maintenance from your smartphone or tablet. This connectivity brings both convenience and a sense of modern luxury, ensuring that your coffee ritual is always at your fingertips. Maintenance is made effortless by features like the intelligent water system with RFID technology, which automatically detects the CLEARYL Smart Plus water filter. This ensures that only pure, filtered water is used, enhancing flavor and protecting the machine's internal components. The GIGA 10's robust build and thoughtful design mean that it is as reliable as it is sophisticated, capable of delivering exceptional coffee day after day. In daily use, the Jura GIGA 10 Diamond Black is a revelation. It offers a spectrum of 35 hot and cold specialties, each crafted to perfection and customizable to the smallest detail. The tactile pleasure of the touchscreen, the whisper-quiet operation of the grinders, and the sheer versatility of the machine combine to create an experience that is as satisfying as it is effortless. For those who view coffee as an art form and a daily pleasure, the Giga 10 is not just a machine, it's the heart of the home cafe. That's everything you need to know about the Jura Giga 10. For those interested in picking one up, I've included links to the best deals in the description. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!